Hey YouTube, we've got the Signia Active Pro today. I've not opened this before and I don't know what to expect. I've heard it's a modular fit, so it is like a plug and play. Obviously needs programming by an audiologist or a hearing care provider. There's a couple of sleeves. You get the medium closed, extra small for some tinier ears, small, which is vented, and then another closed one. So put those to one side. We'll probably use the small ones. Okay. Lots of manuals with it. Filters, we'll need those. Brush, charger booklet. Cool. That's for me. I'm going to have a read of that, see what it says. A bit different in there anyway. And then safety instructions. Nothing really important there. Okay, just a thank you. So let's open it. See what it says on the back first. So, Signia demo, iPhone, iPad, iPods. Okay. So it doesn't say anything about Android connectivity. Okay. Yeah. Let's. It opens here. There we go. Okay, Be Brilliant. That's the QR code for the app. Nice box. I love the packaging. It's fantastic. And this little charger case. Wow. So 15 minutes rapid charge. Let's take that sticker off. Oh no. USB-C. Okay, let's take these out. So, got a right symbol there, and a left there. Nice. It's a sort of magnet rechargeable, sort of iPhone-esque, huh? Nice. So, what we do is we take the results of your hearing test and program them wirelessly into these hearing aids, and then we get a good fit for you. So I'll take one of these out. Okay, and let's put one on, see what it's like. See if they click nicely. Oh, nice click fit. So quite impressed. I'd like to give them a try on a couple customers and clients and patients and see what happens. Thanks for watching.